Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn about the formal charge and how to calculate the formal charge in an atom, in a molecule, or in an ion. Uh, Formal charge is important to find the charge of an atom in a molecule or in an ion. And formal charge is calculated by using this simple formula. And you can see formal charge is equal to the number of valence electrons in the atom subtracted by sum of number of bonds and number of electrons in lone pairs. Let's see how to use this formula. First, I will explain about the formal charge of nitrogen in the ammonia molecule. You have to draw Lewis structure of this ammonia molecule. First, this is the Lewis structure of ammonia molecule. Let's see, formal charge is equal to number of valence electrons in the atom. We are considering about the nitrogen. So nitrogen belongs to 15th group of periodic table. So it has 5 electrons in the valence shell before formation of bonds. That means in the neutral atom. And next one, number of bonds. It has 3 bonds, we can see, and then number of electrons in lone pairs. Ammonia molecule has one lone electron pair, so there are 2 lone electrons. So altogether we can see it has no charge. That means in the ammonia molecule nitrogen has 0 formal charge. Let's see another example too. NH2 minus. I'm going to find the formal charge of nitrogen in the NH2 minus ion. First, you have to draw Lewis structure of NH2 minus. We can see it has 4 lone pair electrons. Then formal charge is equal to number of valence electrons in the nitrogen. We know that it has 5 electrons now. And number of bonds, there are 2 bonds now. And number of electrons in lone pairs, there are 4 electrons. So you can see there is a negative 1 charge for the formal charge in nitrogen atom in the NH2 minus ion. And I will explain another example too, that is NH4 plus ammonium. First one, you have to draw Lewis structure of ammonium ion. Nitrogen, like this. And then formal charge is equal to number of valence electron in the nitrogen atom. That means neutral nitrogen atom. It has 5 electrons subtracted by, there are 4 bonds, number of bonds 4, plus there is no lone electrons here. So we can see that it should have a positive 1 charge. That's the formal charge of nitrogen in the ammonium ion. And you can see that in a neutral molecule, sum of all the formal charges should be equal to 0. And in a negative ion, all the formal charges we can add, and then it should gain the negative charge, which is equal to the negative charge in the negative ion. And when we consider about the positive ion, sum of all the formal charges should gain the positive charge of the ion. And this is about the formal charge and the method of calculating formal charge. You can join with us to watch more chemistry lessons like this, and for that you can subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching.